This is gonna be super long.
Is this a monster?
Let me tell you if, like, we have to pick one. Oh. No, I didn't click on it.
Oh my goodness.
Which one? I'll just, like, not be in any frames and look hideous in the video.
I know.
Let's come on. Okay, let's do this one. Are you wearing a hat? No. Bottle of water, yes or no? Yes. Do you have a crush on someone right now? Maybe.
No.
You like Rob Hat?
Oh yeah, Rob
Hat. What kind of watch hat do you have? This is, no!
Miss Sophie.
This is Sophie!
Yep.
Do you prefer writing in pen or pencil? Pen. Who's the last text message from your phone?
Well, I already know mine was Victoria.
Mine was Garrett. Oh, who are we? Oh, what's your favorite season? Autumn. Does your best friend have a boyfriend or girlfriend? Both. No. Yes. Yes, both. Do you like them?
No.
I like myself. Favorite radio station? Don't listen to the radio.
Okay.
Type your name in Google. What's the first thing that pops up?
Oh God,
This
let's
is
go
fun.
here.
Google. It's gonna live forever because this is Sophie's.
Sophie failed.
What? That was an epic fail. That's for Google. Because I spelled Google wrong again.
Fail.
There we go. Does it say full name?
Just Sophie. Just like Sophie. Let's see what we get.
Network of Sacred Heart Schools.
Wow.
Exciting. Alexis Hotel, Luxury Boutique in Seattle,
Okay, I have
Washington.
school and you have like a hotel. Okay.
A luxury boutique. That was fun.
What?
What's your favorite song at the moment? I like that one Postal Service song right now.
I really like the what?
Coke or Pepsi? Pepsi.
Neither.
Favorite subject in school? Art 2.
History.
Uh-oh. What happened to the survey? Oh, yeah, this one. Okay.
Uh-oh.
Last concert. Play video play. Next concert. Cannot determine.
I don't know.
Last magazine you bought. I didn't buy that subscription to Teen Vogue.
I have a subscription to 17.
Last book you read. Something called Double Helix. It was really stupid. I didn't read it all.